Hello viewers, let's learn how to temporarily stop WhatsApp for a specific time period so that you won't be able to send or receive messages while rest of your mobile phone continues work normally. Now let's see that from your drop down menu that data connection and Wi-Fi connection are connected and the mobile internet is working properly. Now let me go click settings and come down to click battery and now click on background usage limits. Open it and now there are two types: sleeping apps, deep sleeping apps. So let me click deep sleeping apps and above are the deep sleeping apps user added and below are the deep sleeping apps automatically added. You have seen all the apps. Now let's click plus sign and choose the app you want. Like let me select all my WhatsApp in my mobile and now click add. Now simply let me go to main screen and open WhatsApp. Now let's go for a test and you can see that I am sending random messages but no message has been sent. You can see the clock sign. Let's go back to main screen to restore it and click this sign. Now we are again on deep sleeping page. So click these three dots and you will see simply remove button. Click this remove and now select WhatsApp. Now let me select all these three WhatsApp which were selected a while ago and click remove. Now that has been removed. Let me go to main screen and let me open WhatsApp and you will shortly see that all messages will go in front of you. So through this way you can temporarily stop or restart your WhatsApp temporarily. Thanks for watching.